Hello. Hi. I'm Iker, and uh, in this video, I'm basically just gonna be doing what Slat and Righteous used to do. And you know what? The intro will explain everything to you, and yeah. So all that goes to the intro. I'll tell you a few things. Any questions? Ask me in the comments, and this is actually my first edited video on Mac. So, I hope this video turns out good. Most of my videos don't. So, yeah, I'm gonna end this now. Alright, hello guys. Today, I'm gonna be playing with my gay friend called Tix. His real name is this channel right here, as you can see right here, because the power of editing.
It's Butterbag.
He's really gay, he likes dick, and he likes boys. So, let's just get on with it. We're gonna put...
Oh, don't you
my
stop,
God,
honey.
He might likes women too. You can tell he's gay. How do I get my maker pen out? I'm gonna edit like a piano falling on my head when I ask that. Bottom. That's weird. I don't have permission. Oh, I gotta go to notifications. What is happening outside?
Foreshadowing is a narrative device.
I must be hearing things, bro.
What?
I hear somebody outside.
Is it your Hindu neighbors?
I'm on the back side of my house. Hello? Yes, sir. That's an energy drink. I knew it! I knew someone was outside.
I know.
And now the dog that poops everywhere is in my room. Okay. I almost got a heart attack.
Do you have like multiple animals and you name them?
Yeah, I have like a billion animals. There's Jasper and there's Coco? Wait. Coco, get outside. Get. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna blame it on my dad. I'm so screwed.
He didn't sound.
I can't go to bed. He told me I was gonna be up all day. I should have went to sleep, bro. What were you doing, Goofy, in the shower? What were you doing, Goofy, in the shower?
You know what?
That's that?
It's my carbide saw.
Why are you on teleport mode? It's not fair, man.
Carbide to series.
I can buy a Nazi flag?
Really?
I will not let you destroy my world!
Spending tokens on this.
What? Remember that one adventure I had? I had an oracle. I was like, "Welcome to the calm zone." Only calm. You remember that? I spawned it in Boring Rock.
200 tokens, by the way, bro. This is inflation.
Can I send you?
Huh?
Can I send you?
Bro, something is under my bed. Is that my dog?
You have something under your bed.
I shouldn't have been loud. Now my dad is gonna be mad at me. Yes, he is.
He's mad.
Really buff up, bro. You gotta go, bro. You gotta go fast without even thinking. Because guess what? Here's what happens. Here's what happens, right?
Wait. Yo, I know what to do, bro. Never give me editing permission on anything. Because you know what I'm gonna make, right?
Yeah. Give me some bullshit.
I'm gonna recreate the video I watched earlier of the Tung Tung horse cosplay.
What is this?
Leave W Faps? What is W Faps? What am I looking at? Wait,
I don't know.
I forgot how to attach the watermark. Oh, it's the clamp. I should know. I'm gonna attach it to a bar stool. And then I go, switch on. I put that there, and then I twist my neck as I turn around. But why? I'm not trying to leave. What's happening? Stop. Alright. I'm about to leave. I'm gonna click yes if you don't stop. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna attack her. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna crack it. Wait, so I move this thing. And then water, right? Water. I have to remember how to do this. Right, now on the chicken. I need a perfect articulation for how many videos I watched. What do you think I'm doing? Oh, this is like the chocolate grandma from SpongeBob. You know what I'm talking about? I know chocolate. Or no, I'm pretty sure she hated chocolate. I'm wrong. What is under my bed, yo? Her chicken is mind boggling. I have a perfect articulation for the eyes. I gotta attach her beautiful SpongeBob chocolate with this. There's her second eye. I'm gonna close her mouth because she's only doing the first action. Shut up! Wait, come here. Why does she have triangles in there? I wanna go there. Stop touching my thing. Look what I made. Isn't it beautiful? Look at his mouth. It's like, it has a negative cancel. Breaking news, clavicular decided not to go to a special ed kid's doctor because he has a negative canthal tilt. Did you know that? Bro, how many guns are they gonna make? I'm getting rapid produced guns right now. I'm looking on the inventions for like anything. Is that Natsuki? That does not look like Natsuki.
Hey, that reminds me of someone.
Shut up. Alright, I have a reveal for something you need to turn around on. Alright, 3, 2, 1, turn around.
What's that?
It's Kirby.
Yeah.
Look at its shoes. It's the same color.
First day of summer, and you cannot wait to enjoy the outdoors, right? But as soon as you step outside, what the fuck is that? There's just a meter-long thing.
Is that Carter Folian? I hate that guy. I want to kill him.
Whoa.
I'm gonna stab a knife into him.
Oh, damn!
I have enough ink.
Look, it's low tier god. It's low tier god.
Oh,
Low tier god.
oh my god.
Wait, I'm gonna search up low tier god on the inventions. It's probably not gonna be there because no one is like advanced.
I haven't eaten in days.
LTG? Nope.
Hey, yo, chew. Yeah, I miss this voice. Yeah, turn around and take
Jeez.
your head off. And I hope this can go out to other people. I'll kill you. Murder. Let's go. I got my voice back. Hey, yo, chew. Yeah, I miss this voice. Yeah, turn around and take your head off. And I hope this can go out to other people. I'll kill you. Murder. Let's go.
You know how I told you I'm gonna stab Carter Folian?
Time for me to go to bed.
Can you spawn Carter Folian for me?
Just simply go.
For the Minecraft axes? What the freak? Why are they over here? Bro, get your weapon set. Oh my gosh, I have to edit the... How do I, what's it called? Oh, never mind. Configure. What? I'm configuring, right?
Why'd you leave?
How do I configure things?
Go to your menu, and then
Oh wait,
press
I'm gonna go in
configure
the
and then click
call.
on
It's
it.
not working. I'm gonna go in the... Oh my god!
What's wrong?
You just made that thing scream in my ear. Are you okay? Whoa. I have a giant iPhone in my face. Tags. Haha.
That's funny.
Haha. June. It started in Juno, so where are we? Are we in the back rooms?
I think so. What even happened?
What is down
So
there?
first, this whole
What
entire
did I
brick floor down here, you're gonna have to align it to your dorm.
This is not a dorm room.
This whole entire brick floor.
What does he say?
So first, this whole entire brick.
We did
I don't think he was supposed to say anything. Yeah, boohoo. I think we could survive the back rooms. To make this, and you start out with pink. What is pink? Oh, I know what pink is, or I know what's pink. All right, so we're gonna try to recreate this torso, but non-AI, because AI slop is taking over the world. And like, I think I should add like a little gubby keychain, cause we all love our gubbies. I have to make a gubby. Alright, I'm gonna search up some gay flags on the Invention palette. We've almost used all our ink, by the way.
I know.
I'm gonna delete all these barriers down here. And hope the game doesn't crash. And all these Minecraft battle axes. Oh, that saved like 10% of the ink. Bro, baby, to control it, I'ma feed you. There's just pointless things lying around. I didn't even mention this stuff. I'm gonna leave Chica there. Look at Chica over here. Turn around.
I'm not.
I'm gonna leave her. She's gonna look like Ignited Chica. She looks like Ignited Chica. Look at her. Look. She looks like Ignited Chica. Deleting gay world. This elder kettle. Elder kettle is a Cuphead thing.
I'm done.
With what?
My build.
I'm deleting my giant penis. Sadly. I'm glad you made her entire body black, but then the stuff that you only she kind of looks like the Eye of Ra.
You see these things? They're braces.
Because my kids are behind bars.
Look at this. We have the. I'm giving you a house.
Chica is so fucking fat. I have to get everything, like, down.
Here, wait, look.
Don't mess with Chica. Don't mess with my bitch. Alright, you can keep it like
I
that.
have to hold hands.
Save that as an invention. You have to. Alright, I'm gonna move it over here so you don't get copyrighted.
No!
You're gonna get copyrighted. What happened to her arm? Oh, she's fingering herself.
I'm gonna get banned.
Wait, I know what to do actually. I'm so dumb. Why didn't I think of this? Alright, create. And then, where's the palette? Open palette.
Okay, I'm
Shapes.
publishing this. You can get it if you
And
want
then
to.
you go sphere. And then, yeah, the dirt texture. White. Then you kind of make, like, the same size. No way they're connected. I swear if they're connected. If they're connected, I'm gonna hang myself. And I have to make another bitch. Wait. What are you doing? Move, fatso.
Alright.
Alright, is grabbable? Yes. Is climbable? I don't think so. Yeah, I'm not letting you teleport on my ball. I gotta shrink my ball. Look, I have a giant pearl. Pearl? Alright,
Oh my god.
alright, so I'm gonna manipulate it because I'm a manipulator blood. And I always manipulate the voids. You know? I'm literally light Yagami, bro.
Okay, I published the invention. If you want to go on my profile and get it, it's for free.
Why would you do that?
Hmm?
Alright, look, doesn't that look normal? No.
Yeah.
Not
Okay,
really.
I'm gonna make everyone spend 100 on this. Here, you can.
No,
have
make it
as
like
well.
100,000 tokens.
Wait, look at the screen. Look. Here, buy it. Buy it. Look at the
How-
profile and
Alright, I'll buy it. I'll buy it a little. I'm gonna have to post this on YouTube with the tits and everything.
don't worry.
I hope I don't get copyrighted. If I get copyrighted, I'm deleting my channel. Bro, from that stuff I deleted over there, we're down to 15% ink. That is crazy. It's an abomination. Move her! Move it! I'm making a non-AI version of...
Hey, it does not. It does not like to be called it. She, her. Oh my god.
Wait, do I have to clamp these two parts together?
I'm not sure.
That is so dumb.
I'm gonna get banned from this.
Why?
Cause this invention.
Whatever.
Oh, it's on the top. It's on the top page of the invention store. By the way.
You better hope someone
Already.
starts pumping out invention.
Here, look.
I'm not
You see it?
looking. No, it's black.
Oh.
Options,
I know.
merge.
See?
Dang it!
Look at my profile
I have to
picture.
clamp them together.
Yeah, look at my profile picture.
Okay. Why did I do a little twirl?
It's already on the top.
Yeah, bro. You're about to get famous.
It, it's only worth 4% ink, so people who have had a lot of ink can add one more cherry on top of it.
How do... So, what if I get a clamp? I swear, I'm gonna say big brain move, and it's just not gonna work, because that's how everything goes. Stop doing that, you alcohol addict. Alright, so... Oh, it's so bad. When you move it, it's like...
What?
You can reveal the past. It's like the brush in Minecraft where you can brush suspicious gravel. Minecraft where you can brush suspicious gravel. I don't want to respawn. Please put me somewhere close. Okay, I'm right beside it. I can fly. I learned how to fly, man. My game just crashed. Yeah, it shut down. I hope my Chica progress is still saved. Cause I can take the bib and push it on my stomach to crash my game. Cause my game crashed. I don't even care that my dad said I had to stay up. I'm so happy right now. I don't know what you're talking about, but we're on the same level, pal. And I'm building a non-AI Chica. We are the same. What happened?
What happened?
Oh no. What? Where's the floor?
I deleted.
Oh no! I deleted it! What did you do? Why'd you do that? I can't get on the floor. I can't do anything. Wait, I have to go in teleport mode. Wait, can I put like a start position rug? I have to use another clamp. You know. Okay, we're gonna make another. Where does that even go? What? What is happening? What?